All right, are you guys ready? This is one of my favorite books, and we used to have so much fun reading it together. I need your help. You're going to have to follow along and help me. Get ready. Don't push the button. Hi, my name is Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about it. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we pushed it. No, we can't. We mustn't push the button. Psst, no one's looking. You should give the button one little push. Can you guys push it? Uh-oh, I wonder what's gonna happen. Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Can you guys push it? Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Go like this. 1, 2, 1, 2. Hack! Now there's 2 of me. Push it a bunch of times. Push, go push, 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 push. Push, 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 push. Uh-oh. Look at all of them. There's so many. Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. I'm gonna shake the book. You guys shake your body. Shake, 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 shake. Oh boy. Do you think it's gonna get rid of them all? Oh no, not yet. Almost. A little bit more. Shake. Shake, 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 shake. Okay, there we go. It says here to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. Can you go like this? Scratch, 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 scratch. Scratch, 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 scratch. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push the button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes. Can you do a couple more pushes? Push, 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 push. Push, 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 push. Look, now he has some friends. The end.